I think the days of every line of code being written by software engineers, those are completely over.
If you want to be indispensable in 2025, this video is your complete 6 months roadmap to AI engineering. Why? Because AI is everywhere. 73% of businesses uses it. 378 million people use it every day. But 42% of AI projects never make it out of the lab. Why? Because AI is not just about building models. It is about everything around AI: cloud, security, compliance, real-world workloads. How do you become indispensable in age of AI? That's where this roadmap comes in, step by step. This is a 6 months roadmap reimagined, because we are reimagining our fit into AI needs. Month 1 will start with AI workloads and applications. We will understand how different model training, inferences, data processing workloads are running in enterprises. Then we will learn tooling via Python, Jupyter, LLMs such as GPT, Claude, Gemini, NLP, and cloud AI services. We will also explore agentic AI, and then we will do it all using real-world use cases. Build a simple AI app, then experiment with LLMs and NLPs, and then try basic agent workflows. Following this, in month 2, we will focus on infrastructure for AI, which is nothing but cloud engineering. The cloud engineering on steroids. We'll learn how AWS, Azure, or GCP plays their part in these AI services. Under that, we will learn compute, storage, networking, and the orchestration of these workloads on Kubernetes. We will touch upon areas like infrastructure as a code using Terraform or CloudFormation. Then we will learn DevOps, CI/CD pipelines, version controls. Finally, we will learn how to deploy the AI workloads in cloud environments, how to automate infra provisioning, how to monitor and optimize, how to integrate DevOps AI. Month 3 would be focused on securing AI, which is nothing but cloud plus AI security. Under that, we will touch upon major technologies around IAM, encryption, network security, model data security monitoring, tools such as AWS Security Hub and Azure Security Center. We will touch upon areas such as AI Ops for automated security. How we will do all that? We will implement security best practices in AI workloads and infrastructures. We will automate validations and monitoring. We will conduct security audits. We will learn how to use AI Ops for anomaly detection. In month 4, we will focus on automation and agentic AI. Python scripting for automation, infrastructure as a code, CI/CD pipelines, automation tools such as Ansible, Chef, and Puppet, agentic AI orchestration. How we will do all that? We will automate infra with Terraform, build CI/CD pipelines, script tasks with Python, design agentic workflows using LangGraph, custom agents, and other frameworks. Month 5, we will build real-world enterprise projects using MLOps and LLMOps. Automate ML deployment, monitoring and governance, full-stack AI app development using cloud-native architecture. We will learn best practices across DevOps, MLOps, LLMOps. Then month 6 will be all about yourself and your expansion. I'll touch upon professional networking. How can you build your personal brand, your online presence, and how can you plan your career and kinds of jobs you can target for? How we will do that? We will reflect upon your strengths and goals. We will expand your network, and we will explore opportunities based on your skill set and your interests at that level. And here is the real challenge. AI is unpredictable. Ever had an error using ChatGPT? Now imagine that error happening for millions every day. That exact thing happened recently. OpenAI's ChatGPT suffered a global outage that lasted over 15 hours, leaving users worldwide unable to access the services. Paid customers and businesses were impacted. OpenAI had to apologize and offer compensation. This wasn't just a small glitch, it was a major disruption, affecting daily workflows and critical business operations. That's the real challenge companies are facing, making AI work reliably, securely, and at scale. That's why most AI projects never leave the lab. They get stuck when teams cannot handle deployment risks, security flaws, data leaks, and unintended behaviors. So, how do I know this? I spent 4 years at AWS helping big companies adopt AI and seeing their struggles firsthand. My eureka moment came working with a global insurance giant on Gen AI. Even large firms with massive resources struggle to move from prototype to production. They had a great idea and powerful models, but kept hitting security gaps, unpredictable errors, and scale issues. That's when I realized real value isn't just in building AI, it is in making it work reliably, securely, at scale for real businesses. Here is what opened my eyes. They hired top talent, sometimes at double, triple the market salaries, to bridge AI research and deployment. They did not just want people who could use AI tools, they wanted engineers who could build secure and scale AI systems. Engineers who can take AI from lab to real world. Meanwhile, layoffs are happening fast. In 2024, over 280K knowledge workers were laid off, 157K in US alone. In 2025, the trend continues. More than 76,000 employees across hundreds of tech companies have been laid off. Amazon, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Google, CrowdStrike, and many more. They are automating and restructuring, not because they are broke, but because they need efficiency and AI at scale. Yet, the workforce is not ready. Too many engineers still use outdated methods. While the world shifts to AI-driven automation, message is clear. Upskill and adopt AI, not just in the workflows, but in core engineering skills too. If you want to be indispensable, you must be the engineers who build, secures, and scales AI, not just uses it. Now that you know the challenges, let's talk potential. AI engineering is booming, with some of the highest salaries in tech. A regular engineer makes 100K. AI engineers, anywhere from 176K to more than 500K. AI infrastructure and security engineers make more than 200K on average. And over 60% of the AI engineering jobs are remote or hybrid. The door is wide open. The big question, where do you fit? How do you position yourself for these high value roles? How we will achieve all that? Yes, we will design and build an AI-powered startup in the infrastructure which we just spun. We will deploy that in cloud. We will implement security monitoring and automation in that app. And we will use MLOps and LLMOps tools. We will create this project, document it, and add to your portfolio. Now, you have seen the facts, challenges, and roadmaps. This is not just a plan, it is your invitation to act. If you're serious about transforming your career and building generational wealth in the AI age, this is your moment. Next step, I want you to comment. How soon would you enroll? Next week? Next month? Let me know. And stay tuned. More insights, projects, and networking coming your way.